How to connect a Bluetooth device with your PC. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily connect a Bluetooth device with your computer or PC. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to connect a Bluetooth device in your Windows 11, first of all you have to click on this window icon and click on settings. And here you can see Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. And first of all you have to turn on your Bluetooth. If you are not able to turn on your Bluetooth, you have to you may have an adapter issue of Bluetooth, so you can use an OTG or adapter for Bluetooth. And after that click on add device and click on Bluetooth, and here you will see all the devices for the available for the connection of Bluetooth, and click on it. And it takes some time and you will be successfully connected to the Bluetooth. So guys, in this way you can easily connect a Bluetooth device with your Windows 11. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.